The 50 Fathoms, for me, the most historic of all commercial dive watches. This watch is at the very high end. My name is Paul Lewis. I'm a sales professional in Burrells in the beautiful city of Winchester. Here we have the Blancpain 50 Fathoms Automatique Grande date. Burrells in Winchester, we are incredibly proud to be one of only 13 stockists and retail partners for Blancpain. First introduced in 1953, a full 6 months before the probably more famous Rolex Submariner, but can't take it away from Blancpain, they were the first. Named the 50 Fathoms because at the time that was the target. 50 Fathoms, which is just over 91 metres. You think today that an average dive watch is around 300 metres, and this example we have here is exactly that. The titanium case houses the Blancpain caliber 6918B, fully automatic. It's got a very beautiful exhibition case back, really showing the detail and the beauty of what's inside this watch. 5-day power reserve, which is great because obviously you maybe don't go diving every day, but when you want to put your watch on the weekend, the watch is up and running and ready to go for you. We've got a black dial with a very bright superluminova markings, indices, and on the bezel. The bezel is very interesting because it has a layer of sapphire crystal over the top, so incredibly robust and scratch resistant, as well as of course the sapphire crystal glass. As my eyesight fails, the large date at 6 o'clock is very, very useful. The size is very nice on my wrist. The overall sort of shine of the dial, it's very smart, and I think I've said in the past that I like things that just stand out a little bit from the crowd. It's got a nice, what they call the sailing strap, which is like a very tough canvas and rubberized strap with a titanium buckle. So for me, it's got all the qualities that, you know, a high-end quality watch should have. It's such a clean, crisp watch to read the time from. And obviously if you're underwater, it can get pretty dark down at 300 metres, and a good clear dial is pretty important. Price point, £13,450. For what you get for that, I think it's worth every penny, and it really is, for me, the pinnacle of diving watches. Well, I like to think of it as my lottery watch, is what I tell the wife anyway, that one day numbers come up, I shall be grabbing myself one of these. What I love about this watch, and some people are really going to disagree with this, is that it's not a Rolex. It's not a deep sea or a Submariner. You know, it stands out from the crowd. Don't get me wrong, there are great watches, and anyone who's got one of those would be very, very proud to wear it and own it. But you know, for me, this just is a cut above the rest. If you're interested in learning more about this watch, then please get in contact with us. You can call us here at the Winchester store or visit our website.